I would say that rather than changed, it has evolved. When you had very few rare diseases that were recognized that had genetic causes determined so that research could move forward, there wasn't the ability for people to come together like there is now. So you look at the pioneer role that Genzyme took many years ago in its Gaucher work. And so you had the ability for them to connect with a disease community and for a community to come together around the development of a drug, the advocacy for treatment, to gain access to the treatment, whether it be through clinical studies, when it was investigational, or upon approval. And that sort of set the tone for the fact that the patient community wanted to be seen, they wanted to be educated, they wanted to be heard, and they wanted access. And it's a wonderful model of partnership. And from that, you have more diseases that have been understood, that have been researched, genetic causes. You have the Human Genome Project, which certainly I think was a catalyst for so many of these rare and orphan diseases. Sort of parallel with that is the development of the internet and the access for the average person to get online and to then find out who's doing the work in their disease area, to find out if there's any kind of support network, an established patient organization, and if not, by reaching out to others with similar disease experiences, these virtual organizations might have emerged, which then lead to, real organizations, and I put that sort of in quotes because it's always real, but you might have people who never knew of others, and they connect online, and then actual organizations emerged. And you always have had these kitchen table groups, which, again, through the internet, they're able to find more people who have the same diseases. They're able to find support. And so you have these sort of parallel things emerging. And I think that the ability for people to find each other and access information online, and the Human Genome Project, sort of almost at the same time, these technologies have converged. Almost call it like its own double helix. And so I think that that's what's really helped to evolve the whole patient advocacy movement.